Good morning, children. It's so good to see you this morning. We are going to go on an adventure and learn about our body. God made our body and we are fearfully and wonderfully made. And so as we go through the next 3 weeks, we're going to be learning about our body and the different things that we can do with our bodies. Who am I? That's a question I want to ask you. My name is Teacher Cheryl and I'm going to be teaching you these lessons. But I'm asking, are you a boy or are you a girl? And what is your name? My name is Cheryl and my surname is Williams and I am very old and I live in Rudaput. Perhaps you can share with your teacher what your name is and what your surname is and how old you are and where you live. The next question I want to ask you is, how do I move? What can I do with my eyes? I can blink them. I can make a circle with them. I can look to the left and to the right. And I can close them to go to sleep. What can we do with our nose? Well, we can wriggle our nose, and when germs go up our nose and we sneeze, we can sneeze and all of those germs fly out of your nose. And what can I do with my mouth? Well, I can use my lips to talk. I've got teeth inside my mouth and I can chew my food with my mouth. I can also sing with my mouth and I can also whistle with my mouth. What can I do with my hands? Well, I can clap my hands. I can make roly-polies with my hands. I can snap my fingers. I can open and close my hands. I can draw using my hands. I can love using my hands. What can I do with my feet? I can stamp using my feet. I can run using my feet. I can turn around and twirl on the top of my toes as well. What can I do with my body? I can move my body left and right. I can move my body up and down. I can use my body to shiver and shake. I can use my body to dance around. Let's have a look at this poster with your body. Over here you can see the little boy. He's standing there. He has a head. He has 2 eyes. He has 1 ear on the left and 1 ear on the right hand side. He has a nose. He has a mouth. He has lips. He has teeth. The top part of our body is called the torso. He's got hands and he's got fingers. He's got arms. He's got wrists and he has feet as well. And all of these things we have too. Cells are very small, but when they join together, they make different parts of our organs. There are skin cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, bone cells, and all of these combined together make our wonderful body. Isn't it wonderful that we have all these parts of our bodies? And I want you to go down and draw a picture of yourself with your head, your neck, your body, your arms, your legs, your feet, your toes. Go along and do that, and I hope that you have enjoyed the teaching. Goodbye, children.